from this to this. Stay with us and we'll show you how we did that in just a few minutes. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel guys. In today's video guys, you will not be disappointed. We'll show you guys how to clean super dirty, nasty headliner on a vehicle guys. Okay, this one came out of a Ford Focus. Stay with us, we'll show you how terrible it is guys. And we'll show you how we're going to make that thing like brand new again. So make sure guys you stay until the end. Quick introduction guys, every car we get at the shop we make at least 200 videos guys. And why we do all that? Because our mission here at the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel guys and like the video for all the work we do. Now if you want to buy any of the materials or tools that we use in our videos guys, check out the link in the description of the video below. So let's start on it and we'll show you how we're going to turn that nasty dirty headliner into a brand new looking headliner. So check out guys, okay, we removed the headliner. You practically don't have to do that, you can do it in the vehicle, but we removed it because we thought, okay, that we need to replace it. But we will attempt to clean it and see guys, okay, what's going to look like. So stay with us and we'll see guys, okay, the end result in just a little bit. So check out the spot now, okay, it's terrible guys. I mean, it's the whole thing, okay, not just that spot, everywhere it's dirty. So we'll attempt to make it like a good looking headliner again. So what we're using guys here is a lightning fast stain extractor by Chemical guys. We'll have the product listed in the description of the video below guys. You can see where you can purchase some if you need to. We use it to clean car seats. Okay, check out that seat. It's terrible guys, right? It's terrible and we have a video how to make that seat like brand new again. So it's very important when you clean headliners not to get them too wet. If you get them too wet, okay, let me show you now. Okay, that quad right here will start separating. So you don't want that to happen because you have a sagging headliner. So get a microfiber towel guys, it needs to be pretty clean towel and it needs to be dry. Always use gloves, why we don't, I don't know, but use gloves. Put a small amount of stain extractor, concentrate it, not dilute it, and just start cleaning guys your headliner. Now, it's super important guys, okay, it's super important not to actually get it too wet. So, okay, check it out, it's unbelievable, right? Check out the difference. Get a clean microfiber towel and wipe it guys. What we have here, 10 times better, right? Let's go ahead and do a little bit more here. So I want to show you how it's going to get out, the whole spot. All that coffee is actually on the microfiber towel. So get a clean section of the towel and keep doing that to the rest of it. Now, if it's coffee guys, sometimes it will, some small amount of the stain will come back later when it dries. Because actually that coffee guys absorb underneath, okay, in that foam piece. And what you need to do guys, wait for the headliner to dry completely. I mean, leave it for a day or two, then redo the same thing again. It may take you up to 3 times to clean it, but you can guys see what I'm talking about. Check it out. We will attempt, okay, let's attempt to clean that spot quick here and see if it will look better guys, and we'll just keep doing that to the whole headline. Again, you do not have to remove it, you can do it in the vehicle, but we thought it's not possible to clean it. I mean, we've cleaned multiple headliners in the past, but that stain extractor guys, okay, this is unbelievable stuff. I'll definitely recommend it. Nothing sponsored here guys, product is purchased by ourselves, but definitely worth the investment in my opinion. So check it out guys, looks amazing, right? And all that coffee is coming on the microfiber towel as well guys. You cannot even believe that this is the same guys, okay, the same headliner. So let's go ahead, okay, do a little bit more guys and we'll show you in a little bit, okay, the end result. We're going to let it dry and we'll redo it probably a couple times, okay, but even the first time I think that thing will turn out super nice. Let's clean here around the dome light. The whole dome light was covered with coffee. I don't know how they were so nasty. I mean, it's terrible guys. I don't know how you can ride in a car like that, but we're definitely able to take care of that at the shop with no problem. So we'll go ahead guys, do a little bit on the small ones. This is actually water, okay, water stains here, and we'll show you on those as well. Same thing, just don't get it too wet guys, it's important to work it fast and dry it with a microfiber towel after that. And check it out now, completely gone guys, right? What it was and what it is now. So amazing. Now we're going to do that, guys, okay, to the whole headliner. Then we'll let it dry. Okay, we'll let it dry and we'll redo it, guys. I'll show you the end results after 2 or 3 times. We'll see how many times it takes, so make sure you stay until the end. So we went ahead, guys, and we installed the headliner. Okay, we're still in the process of installing it, but after treating it 2 times, guys, okay, that's what it looks like. That's what it looks like, and I think, guys, that is 100 times better than what we started with, right? I mean, we still have just a little bit of a spot right there, big spot that we need to fix and address later, but mostly, guys, everything is out, and I think it looks great. Now we still need to install it, but I wanted to show you guys before we finish the installation, because I wanted to show you what it looks like. Okay, and I promise, guys, that you won't be disappointed. So that's how you clean extremely dirty headliner. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos, and see you guys next time.